this is where we are. Yeah, so this is where we are. Basically, we were able to complete the onboarding last week. So you were able to go through it, or did you? What other is now? Were you able to learn any stuff last week?
So it was. I didn't attend the last class, so
Oh,
I've missed
yeah,
out.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so basically just, but we are aware of all the flow I've been doing so far, like what I've been doing generally. The Reno app, the concepts.
Yeah, I have an idea, sure.
Right. Let me just drop one more reminder for everyone. Let's get started. I think I need a community manager. Should get one. I'm also not the best at community management. So yeah, we have onboarding flow done. Yeah, so based on our uh, flow diagram, yeah, so to explore, what to start with the explore page, basically where users can explore what you have, what you are selling. Okay, all right. So let's see. So we have everything done. Mood board. I think we copied some mood board. Yeah. Let me see. So which one are we going with?
The flow is I
Mhm.
thought from what I learned, I thought it should be on Figma Jam.
No, I copied it from Figma Jam.
Okay,
Like
okay.
so that I don't switch between all the softwares and stuff. So
So
this
if
one
you
is
don't
going to be
look
easier
through
for
this
me.
angle, this thing at the top, the name of the flow, this checkout flow. Do you add another?
Okay, okay. No, it. Although I copy, it's called section.
No, no. I mean, do you add another triangle on it? It's together now. I don't know how you do that.
And that I'm saying it's called section. More or less like if I let me just do something random. Um, just do something like this. Yeah. So if I want to put all this into a section, I could just uh, come under frame. Yeah. So section. So if I just select all of them, you see,
Okay,
change
okay,
this.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
All
thank you,
this
thank
around.
you, thank you. Thank you, boss. Let's know.
Sure.
Continue.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right. So let's start with our mood board. Um, hopefully this will not take time. It should not take time. You can hear me clearly, right?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Right. Uh, so we have this homepage. I think it looks good, right? So remember our goal here. Want a place where people can search for. I need to open our documents. Let me see if I can quickly do that.
So are we doing a replica of this?
Just because of time, I just replicate something, but
Okay.
I want to replicate it with what we agreed on.
Okay.
Let me open because I'm not open the file. But we had the user story. Cool. While it's open, I think we discussed some features we could use. Mm, okay, so I think this is the page. So you want a place where users can search. Yeah, very important. Um, want filters, want a place for sorting, all right? Then categories. So I think we have something like trending jerseys. We could have new releases. We could have featured branding. We could have popular teams. Uh, right. I think we could just so that we're on board. Yeah, I'm trying my best to do this as possible so that when you have real life clients, yeah, you follow the user story as much as possible. Whatever documents you guys are following, the PRD. So we could have could have maybe mm, jerseys. I think it's sort of industry the what do you call them, the brand like Adidas, Nike. Yeah, could have it as clubs. Yeah, so you could just scroll to clubs. So is that a good category? Let me look at
Clubs,
it again.
clubs or what you
Like
say?
clubs. Yeah. I was thinking clubs. I'm thinking is that cool? Or maybe
What kind of club? Is it like
see
Premier League club or which one?
my U Chelsea
Okay.
Liverpool
That's English Premier League now.
or anyone. More or less like we could have them. So you could just maybe popular clubs or clubs that you follow. But
Okay,
since we have like a section,
Real Madrid, Barcelona, Arsenal, Chelsea.
mm-hmm. Come out check live scores. How they do theirs?
And
Let me
those
see.
are I'm naming the popular ones now.
Yeah. No live scores. You
Okay,
can just give me a minute to just check live scores.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Mm. Yeah, live scores looks cool. Okay. Wow, Liverpool lost today. Fantastic.
Yeah, Liverpool lost.
What have I
They're just
been?
bullying. They're just bullying Liverpool. Man City is even playing now. So it's currently
Yeah.
playing. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sending the screenshot to the group. Come give me a minute. Yes, send the screenshots. Wow, 3-0. That's fascinating.
They beat Liverpool 3-0.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, Liverpool, yeah. Are losing form.
Yeah, give me a minute to make this. Okay, load. WhatsApp can be funny.
You what's up?
I don't. No, it's just this is okay. It's off now.
Okay.
What do I want to say again? What did I say? Oh, I think I've not. Well, I don't bet, so I've not seen how betting guys do theirs.
Me too. I don't do betting too. I don't care.
Okay, it's not based. I do. Okay, what's going on? Yep. So I'm thinking something like this. Hmm. This looks cool, yeah. So you could have your favorite clubs come here. I could add to them. What can this be? What can this be? Maybe leave it. So we could have our search. We just rearrange it
Okay.
some other way. Oh,
Okay.
I know some people support multiple clubs, so
Okay.
we just rearrange it. Okay. What else can we copy from here? Well, this is your homepage. We don't need all this. So think something like this could come in play. Yeah, and we just let's see how it goes from there.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's start. Let me copy our mood board. Why did I do this? Why did I save this here? Yeah, welcome. So we could paste our mood board here. Yeah. So we could pick our inspiration from here. Uh, all right, let's get started. Okay, so we have these. So let's start. So we don't take too much time. What's going 14 plus 428? So let me just pick 14 plus 428. Cool. So we are having these first. So we just probably just rearrange it to our taste.
Okay.
So yeah, so I usually auto layout. So let me start with. Did I copy? Yeah, let me just copy the status bar. Nice to meet you, Precious. Hope you had a great week. We have our status bar. So that will help us to guide this upper part. Yeah. So I'm going up and down. Let me just bring it here. Since this is what I'm starting with, I will just start from here. Yeah. So we need a section. We need one um, circle for that will hold our logo. Mhm. So we did another option just like this here. I like this concept. We need another they can add to their favorite theme. Yeah. You could add to their favorite theme. Yeah, I did. Nice to meet you. Welcome. So add to your favorite theme. We need search. Yeah. Or should we make search like this, guys? Should we make it this way? It's not going to be too long. It's going to. Is it? Is it? Let's continue. Do we need the logo of the app? No, we don't. Just rearrange it. So two clubs stay here. There's probably a plus button. Um, we have we have a search button and we have a more button. Yeah. So I'm so these are like wireframes. Yeah. Something I could do on paper. I'm just doing it on my head and yes, it will not take too long. Yeah. So logo we'll replace all of them with actual stuff. So let's do this. Let me group these three. Let me group these two. Let me group all of them and make the height probably 36. Yeah, so it's into a frame. I can bring it in here. If I'm too fast, tell me at any point. Yeah, thanks. Can make this 428.
So you do not have layer grid, or does that really mean?
I'm using auto layout, so I personally
Okay.
don't need layer grid.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends on your preference. But I prefer just using auto layout route.
Okay, man. Okay, okay.
Yeah, spacing can be 12. I think that's too much. Let me keep it. Yeah. And then I could just add padding to both sides. So something auto layout will help me do is that I can say, okay, sorry, layer grid, yeah. That if I add layer grid, um, the layout grid rather, could make it columns, probably make it four. Yeah, so I can add my margin, let's say 16. Yeah, so I know that okay, if I'm moving this here, I'll probably have to move it, make it start somewhere here, right? Let me choose it. Like something like this. If I'm using my layout grid, yeah. Although it's cool, no issues, no problem with it. I just prefer using auto layouts. Yeah, so I just pull this. Yeah, so instead of using the margin on the layout grid, I just add padding on both sides, which is 16. So the same goal, just different process. So whichever one you prefer. Okay, so we have this. I think is it looking small? 86, is it looking small? Should I make it 40? Like let me start at this. If I need to increase, I'll take it up. Mhm. So I wanted how can I get Manchester? Is it going to be on will it be on Icon Scout? Let me see. Why did Icon Scout start this? Oh, if I just take Icon 5. No, it's an icon. It's not supposed to be there. Well, let me just try my luck. Scouts. Let me just check. I'll check Icon Scouts. And if it's not an Icon Scouts, we'll check brand fetch. I just don't want to go to I don't want to go to Google. Search. Let's go. Chelsea one. Alright. Let's get down, so let's try it. Nope. So what's my last option before I go to Google? Let me try brand fetch. Manchester. Okay. Website. Okay. Can we get SVG?
What's the name of
Why
the
is it looking?
plugin?
Yeah, brand fetch.
Brand fetch.
Brand, like you're branding something. So brand
Okay.
and fetch. You find a lot of company logos there. I think how they do is they just pick the SVG of or the favicon of whatever website you're on. I think it looks good. Let me try the JPEG. No, like JPEG. Let me see. Is this so different? Or what's the difference? No difference. Very good. Hmm. So let me also check for a Man U fan is probably a Real Madrid fan. Yeah. There's a lot of noise on your end. Yeah. Emmanuel, your mic, please.
Okay.
Yeah, so let me make this 24. Let me make this 20. Is there something fishy? Nope. Let me make this 24 also. Okay, why is it freezing? I could pick one of them. Bring this here. Okay, 24 looks small. Let me make this. Let me make this 32. Yeah, I have no idea why it's taking this long. Oh, it's an SVG. It's a complex SVG. Okay, so I group this one. Whether we fill this to the center. Okay, it's not. Still. Oh, okay, these are the issues. If I move this, what happens? Okay, then I'll group it. Yeah, then I'll group this. So it's misbehaving. Yeah. Okay, this should be at the center. Yes. No. Sorry, just give me a minute. It's the SVG are scattered. So I want to unpick everyone, all the layers. And okay, I think it's if I move this, what happens? That happens. So I think I can. When there's someone is being the troublemaker. What is this? Okay, so let me ungroup this also. How are you loading? So just give me a minute to. I should have just built should have gone with the SVT with the PNG JPEG. Uh, let's not waste our time. Let's just go with JPEG. Just want it to be at the center. Stress me out. Okay, I'll go with JPEG. Yep. Okay. Although you might not have this, but I can remove the background from mine. Like an AI feature, but it's not on all Figma. Not everyone has it. So in case you don't see it on yours, so let's make this 32. Oh, yes. Let's make this 32. Let's make this. Okay. Let me just 36. So I could move this in here. So I can still bring it down. Let's make it 32. Yup. Mhm. Let's copy this. Let's bring it. Yup. Yeah. So where's the market? Okay, I can take it up so it's more balanced. Now let me make this sideways. 24. I hope I'm not doing any magic. Yeah. Okay. Let's go with this. Yeah. All right. So let's move on. Let's move this to. Let's bring it over here. So I can copy this. Yeah. That's Control C. So I come here and I replace. So paste to replace. That's Control Shift plus R. Yeah. So if I click on it, it replaces that. So I'll do this one more time. Control C. Yeah. So I come here. Just do Control Shift R and it replaces it. Yeah. So in that case, it makes life easier. Somewhere. What else can I do? Let's go back to our mood board. Although this is dark mode. Mhm. So I think this color, what can we use as the background color? Let's replace this is most likely color, yeah, but just so it's not confusing. Select both circles. Come here. What color would be nice? Let's just use gray, normal regular gray. Or let's use an out. Should we use an outline instead? No, that would be too rough. Let's leave it that way. Mhm. So let's add this plus icon. Let's come to our set panel. Look for add. Okay. What can we use? What does it look like? Let's use this guy. I think inside that. Nope. Let me use plus. Yeah, so let's use our one. Take this guy. So I prefer the curved edges, and these are basically our icon set. So let's use it. Mm-hmm. So I could bring this here, put this here. Let's copy them totally. I think I like that outline stuff they did. Um, just duplicate this, probably add an outline. Let's just blue. Yeah, just let me bring it down. Yeah. Probably come here also add another blue. Take out this, move this here. Okay, oh my area is fine. Alright, give me a minute. What's that I'm asking for? Alright, so let's go. So we have this one, so Control G, like I did before, Control X to cut, and I come and I replace it. Yeah. So looking at let's look at this. How it looks like. Sorry. Okay. I think we can still could take it up like the size a little bit more. Looks a little small. Let's say 48. Too big. Let's just say 40. Okay. This. Mhm. Yeah. So let's look for our. Can delete this also. I'm not too fast, right? Yeah. So let's add the search and the more button. So let's go search. I'm not too fast. Okay. No one's complained, so I'm gonna believe everyone's on board. This not looking too big. Is it not looking too big? It's not looking too big. Let me make it 40. Yes, 40. Okay, then don't overthink it. Just leave it that way. So search. Let's look. Where is this? So I can basically just replace. So what I'll do is funny. I have to copy this here and replace both these frames I did with them. I basically just showing us how to design fast. So sometimes instead of having to create every circle all over again, yeah, all you have to do is just duplicate as many things as possible. Just copy, replace, then replace. So what I want to do, I want to replace this remote with icon with this. So the same process, cut or copy, Ctrl X, yeah, come to this, and then Ctrl Shift R, which replaces it. Yeah, so I could do the exact same thing. I could center align it, yeah, to this. Um, do I like the color? I think I do. Oh, let's see. Oh, that's true. Let's try this color. Yeah, welcome. Let's try this color. Let's see how it look like. Is it the same? Nope, it's right. Okay, let's use our gray. Oh, I just this was supposed to be. Don't worry. So we have our search. So let's have our more. Not compulsory, but why not? Oh no, we don't need a more. Since we have that also okay. No, let's have more. It depends if so. One thing you could do is sometimes yeah, if you have tabs down, mhm, you don't necessarily need a more that more button to see more or like a button that gives you a menu. Since you have your tabs down here, yeah. So you notice that there's no more button because there's tab. Yeah. So same thing. There's no more button because there's tab. Okay, no, there's more button. What does that more button do, sir? Let me check. Let's go. So there are more button doesn't do so much. It more or less like a settings. It takes them to settings. Yeah. Well, more button just puts things on the. Should we add a more button? Should we add a more button? Should we add a more button? This feels too bright. Let's make it something soft. Sorry. Let's just agree. Or instead of having, it's not. I prefer. Come. Let's just use this. Yeah. It's more 24. I think it's less subtle this way than how it was before. I changed this so the outline should be given. Alright. Hope I'm not confusing us. Try to be as fast as possible. Yeah. So just keep iterating till you're satisfied. Yeah. Till you believe okay. They say is right. Yeah. Then you can move on. So I think I'm fine with this. No, I'm not fine. I'm not doing this. So let me duplicate this and delete this. Let's just add it. If you don't need it, you can always take it out. So let me replace the icon with a more icon. No, not more menu rather. I think is it menu? No. What do they call those guys again? It's not more. Yeah, it should be L. Let me see what ellipse give me. Yeah, ellipse. This was 500. I made this guy 500 also. And it's also good. So let's just go on. Let's not take too long. So we have that. Okay, so we don't need this. We don't need this. Yeah, we don't need this. Mhm. Don't need all this. So we could let's come down here. We have our favorite clubs up here. Ready? Should we make it interesting? Oh, what will make it more or less like? Come. So this is how design works basically. Just you're looking at what you're doing and you're thinking, what can I do differently? But that will take so long time, so let's not do that. I was thinking something like this. Okay, nice. Maybe if you have time, I can go into it. You could have a section for ads. Mm. Have a section for ads. So let's say you do something like let me make it a frame. Yeah. So if you click F, probably the height. Let's bring it in. Okay. So how to auto layout these two. So I select both of them, add an auto layout, make the spacing 0. I could add the top, bottom and top padding here. Probably make it 12. Yeah. I'm not happy with this. It does not making a center align makes it feel weird. It's too focused to the bottom. Although in reality is if you develop it, they can't adjust it manually. So it's going to be that way. Alright, so let's move this here. Move this in here. Let me change the color so it's more visible. I can fill this. Yeah. So let me take out this padding I did before. So I also add the padding to the general auto layout, which is 6. I also add the 16 to the main auto layouts. Yeah. So I could take out this 16 added here also. Yeah. Yeah, I think I can add more padding to the bottom here. Maybe make this 24 or 16. Let's see, 16. Then that corner radius here, probably 8 or 12. Yeah. So once do something like this, probably make it maybe 164 would be cool. Can always adjust the height. So we have this. So we're getting there. We're inching closer to it. Search bar, filter by. Okay, filter. Hmm. Quite nice. But we could add filter to the. We'll add filter to the explore page. We don't need to add filter to the home page. Sorting up show popularity and indices. Okay. So we could have. Okay. So let's go on. We can always come back to change this. Can I make it something more hot? No, let me make it something out of place. What is this? Okay. So we have our ad. You can always create an ad anytime. Um, what next are we doing? Could we have spots? Should we need to? Let's do something like this. Today's sales. Yeah. So something like this. Maybe similar. So we'll just keep. Oh no. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do this section. So let's have something like um, trending now. Have this trending now. Huh? Should we use that'll be 12. Okay, let's use 20. Let me use, why is it internet? Yeah, how is it internet? Alright, so we have this. We don't need the timer. We just have this see more button. Just at any point, if you feel lost, just say hi. Yeah, so we could have this see or see more. Okay, then the good. Okay, okay, good. Or to lay out the two of them, the both of them rather. So yeah, let's make this black. Let's make this gray. Let's do something like this. So nothing too complex, nothing too fancy. Just I wish I showed it fully. So you just have the picture, the name, the do we need this? Maybe the club. No, the club name. Okay, now one case, we just need the name of the jersey. So the club name of the club name, the probably year. Do we need year? Okay, we need number of colors. What did we have on our? I don't think we did not discuss that. Did not discuss that. Okay, let's just go. Would have the club name. Club name. What else could we have? Club name. Do we need year? I don't think we need year. Okay, let's add it. Let's add it. Let's add it. It's trending now. Let's add year. There'll be a lot of repetition. How do they categorize a home jersey, away jersey? But I don't think it works on all in all sports. I'm not sure. Well, I said like how some clubs have home, away jersey. But, all right, let's leave it. Let's
Home
leave
and
it as
away,
that.
right? What are you talking about?
Yeah, like jerseys. But I'm thinking I don't know if it works. I don't think it works for all sports. I know it works
Okay.
for football, but I don't know about all sports. So since we can't generalize it, let's leave it out. Just leave it as the club name, the year, probably just the price. Yeah, and the maybe add. So the add button that you click on it adds to your cart. Or should you just instead of adding to carts, do we need them to add stuff to carts? Let me see how do these guys do this? Okay, you can add to carts. How do you pick the funniest options for our mood board? Alright, so let's just have this. So you can add to carts. The club name comes here. I'm still contemplating this year. Do we need it? Do we need it? We just leave it. Okay. Let's take the size down to like 14. Yeah, just take it down to like 14. Uh-huh. Yeah, price could also be 14. Yeah, let me make it bold. And then he add to cart button. So let's just search. Let's just bring in our button. No, this is what is this? So I take out these two, and then to just add to carts. Let me just add so it's not too long. Um, okay, add the left icon. Let's change it to the plus right. Yeah. I'm not doing magic, right? You could just adjust the margin here. I need that more space I'm looking for. Alright, so we can replace this with this. What is size? I think we bring it down to maybe make it like 14. Let me make this 4. Let me make this 12. Yeah. So price could be here. But to lay out these two, move this here. So that I don't actually have all of them. I know I'm missing something. Just can't put my finger on it. Come, not this one. Sorry, guys. Just do reusable. Okay. Sorry, the process can be slow like this sometimes. You want to take your time. I know I'm missing something. That's why I trying to remember what I'm missing. So, any questions so far? I think it's my network. It's too slow, bro. Okay, you could have this favorite stuff. Really, since we're saving club, although there's a lot we could do on the onboarding, because of time. There are things like ask the people, like onboarding questions, like what's their favorite club, stuff like that. If I go into full detail, it might take too long. I'm trying to avoid that. I think I've selected this one next. Okay. Okay. We could have do we need gender? This one has just the name and category. Let's not take so long. Let's have this. So the club name, the year, the price. Let's not overthink it. This is what 24. Let's bring it down to like 18. Huh? This is already okay. Okay. Yep. So next is picture. Okay. Should we use it? Let's use. Come on, I'm trying to think. Okay, let's use a frame. Case. We create a frame. Corner just can be 8. We select both of them. We add a space into them. Gap. Yeah. I don't like this. I don't like the. I don't want to break it. Let me see if I can justify. Okay, let me just make this 120%. I can make this the body text. I can make it 140%. Yeah, then this is what. Sorry, I'm just adjusting the what we did. Okay, this is 100%. I put only one. Let me go up 100%. Right. So I don't mind. So we have this. So we could have it two also. Oh no, let's make it a carousel. So I fill this up. Oh, this is also filled. Yeah. So I can make this probably 200. So I'll make this into a component so you can always adjust it anytime. Mhm. Yeah. So let's make the height 12. Let me make that 12. So I can duplicate this. So this will be my component. So what's our components per data? Yeah. So I can make this vertical or horizontal rather. Let me make like 5 of it. Delete this. So I had an auto layout to all of them. Shift A. Yeah. Add the spacing 12. Uh, so I can drag it in here. Let me cut and do this and paste it then instead. Yeah, it does work. Oh, I'm not even done safe. Sorry. So she'll have this also auto layout to the group. Yep. Make this probably 12. Cool. And make this fill. Cool. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's copy this, paste it here. Yeah, let me adjust the color here. Let's make this probably okay. Yeah, so you can see it here. Let me add spacing to all of them. Let's make it 12 or 24. Yeah, take out the spacing here. Don't need the spacing then. I think 24 is much. Yeah, let's make it 16 instead. That's much. Let's make this 20. Yeah. So now I want to fill. I don't need this one again, so I can delete it. I want to make this group fill. Please, if you are lost at any point, just tell me. Yeah, so if I make it fill, you draw this here. So let me make this. Well, I mean it's 24. Let me make like 14. Yep. Even make it more. Yeah. Anything else? Anything else? Nope. Okay. I think I can make this height more. Let's make it into a square. Let's make it 200 also. Okay, that's too much. Let's make it 164. Okay, it's better. Yeah. So we have this. So I'm going to quickly do something. Call of time, yeah. I'll use AI for all this. Yeah. So let me call this Chelsea. Yeah. I mean, it's not just faster, just so let's call this what club? Uh, Barcelona FC. Let's call this FC. Is it FC? Barcelona FC? Is it an FC or? I'm not saying too much. Um, what can be trending? Manchester City, um, Arsenal. Then we have what do we have last? Um, why is the clubs disappearing from my head? PSG is a short form. Juventus. Let's see. Let me just random year. Yeah. Um, um, this is random years. 2021 to 2024. Let me see the look. Yeah. Then price. How much is the original jersey? Not the one that we sell in this country. Let's see. Let's see. 65,000 or something. Ah, this is not looking good, but I'll adjust later. Okay. I can make this bigger. Make it 16. Yeah. What other second? I think this add button is too big. So just give me a minute. I don't want to break this. Come back. I don't want to create this separate. Okay, let me make this the fastest thing. Yeah, that's still weird. Still weird. So I don't mind me. I don't break it. I don't go and create another component. Another variable. Just I'll try to sit down with later. So we have this. We have this. How do you play these images here? Is there a central place where you can get just images from? Okay. Do I miss something? Oh God. Oh, there's not Spotify. Ah, but it's not looking funny. Oh, it's our design. It's not for clients. Barcelona. Oh, it's a component, not space diagram. Okay. Scenarios like this with white background. Uh, okay. Then you can't use this images. What the next one I used? That was Arsenal is part of the group. Okay, we have this. Ah, why are the good ones looking funny? Just, just do it. That's not. I keep forgetting. Sorry. Ah, what is going on here? Okay. Arsenal. Juventus. Yeah. Juventus that keeps looking like Newcastle. Uh, do I need to do all this? Do I need to do all this? Okay, just make it more realistic. So Juventus is here. Last is Man City and Chelsea. No? We all know this is not Chelsea, but don't overthink it. Just do it. These guys have. We have last is what Man City. Let's pick anyone. Don't take too much. Copy image, paste image, copy layer. Oh, okay, no. Paste layer. Yeah, so let me see if I'll try to remove the background of each of them. You might not see this on a Figma. Just it's a special feature for some of us. Yep, yep. So if you move the background, well, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's not on it. Don't turn it off, please. Don't turn it off. And that's 200. So I think it looks better this way. So trending now is this. Let's let's do another one. Let's call it. What do we call it? Mhm. So we have trending now. Where am I? Where am I? Let's just do it something very fast, so it's not going to be so. Our height is 926. So let's just go. Spacing. Let's select all of them. Can crop this guy. Clip is rather. Mhm. So let's add spacing to this. Let me use like 24. Hmm. So trending now. This could be new releases. I just copy it. Um, new releases, featured. Let's just do featured club, featured brands. So maybe club brands should be brands or clubs. Featured clubs. Hmm. Or maybe trending sports. So you could have something like that. But that would mean, sorry, let's do featured clubs and maybe one more could be popular, maybe trending teams. Oh, featured club. This is what featured club could be. What's a brand in this case? Would it be Adidas, Nike? This can be, right? Okay, let's just popular teams. Yeah. So for clubs, we could have something more interesting for them. So let me break. There's an opportunity to teach this. Yeah. So I want to duplicate this. Or let me just do something. Okay, no. Let me duplicate this. Completely around the corners. Let me make something very large, 500. Okay, no. Let me break. Let me detach this instance. Uh, make this probably 120. That's big. Probably 80. This could remain. This could be team name. Yeah, whatever it is. Yeah, label. So we don't need for this. Could make this center aligned. Could make this center aligned. Yeah. Let's hug it. No, don't hug it. Let's make this probably you sort out to do. Yeah. Then I make this a component. Yeah. So let's make this item card. Yeah. And let's name this. What can we name this second one? Let's make this logo. Yeah. Could probably even make it smaller. This is 18. Why am I using 18? Okay, let me make it like 16 or 14. I'll make you still make it bold. This logo. So I could come here. Let me don't use opportunity to teach as many things as possible. There are a lot of things I'm teaching at the same time. So let me come here. I could select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I could come under item cards. And although because I created it, normally could have searched for it. Then if I come and I click logo, it changes everything to this. So you see, I still maintain the pictures, although it's replaced same name with the text. Sometimes it still retains the name you put there. We could have this here. Probably maybe take down this size a little. Probably make this 672. Still bring this down a little. Make this is already 14. Let's make it 12. Where's my 12? Yeah. Change this to but not leave it maybe this. Okay. Yeah, so it's smaller. So featured club. So we could have all our logo guys here. So let's come here. Yes, I play this matches. Let's just make it like we can make this. What can we make this into? This could be give me clubs, PSG. Which not even PSG. Newcastle. Let's give me the university, not the club. Let's see if I put club, right? No. Think about the clubs in the world. Tottenham. Yeah. Yeah, so we could have what other club? You guys help me out. Um, we could also have countries. Why didn't I think of that? Let's have Argent. Let's have Spain. Oh, it's not going to give me Spain. Or Argentina. It's not going to give me. There's no time. There's no time. Just think of one. Um,
Okay, Barcelona.
Barcelona. Would it give me a club? Yeah, it did. These are our guys here. Burnley. Oh, I know the place. Imagine. Burnley, Brighton. Fulham. For Liverpool. Let's for Liverpool. So most times, best you use real life before you present to stakeholders. Sometimes it's just good you use real life items. It makes it easier for your stakeholders to understand what you are doing. Yeah, instead of using mouths to tell them this is where this would be. So am I doing? I'll still start showing this name up. Nope. Put 4. And I just told AI to do all this. So this can be Manchester United. So then Brighton. Let's see. Right. Let's just stop there. We can adjust all this later. So I'll do something such that if you scroll on this, it scrolls here. So let me select all of them. All of them. Yeah. Come to prototype. So you can see what I'm doing. Let me close this guy. Yeah. So if I try scrolling this, it doesn't move right. Yeah. But if I change the scroll to horizontal scroll, yeah. Just give it a few seconds. It is cool, everybody. Oh, sorry. It scrolls the entire frame. This is what I want to scroll. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I change the scroll to horizontal flow. Scroll. Now I can scroll this individually. You could see. Why the bright not completing? So you could scroll this individually now. So it looks more like an app right now. Right. I think we're getting there. We're moving forward. Yeah. So what next? What next can we do? What's the time? How is how fast time runs? Um, anyway, time runs too fast, man. Do we need to do this? Or should I go straight to checkout? Okay, maybe I just focus on the homepage today. When am I going to finish this? So I have an idea coming up. Probably one of the next things we'll do. Yeah, I'm thinking of a deal where everyone just comes. So we'll pick something to design. I'm not going to be the one to design. Like everyone designs on the call. So if anyone has any question, you guys will ask. I'll answer. But you guys will design something. And at the end of the time period, yeah, we'll now submit what we have done. Yeah, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm doing. So I'm thinking of we could do something like that. Probably after we do all this. Yeah, so everyone just designs. On that day, it's not me designing, everyone designing. If you have any question, you could share your screen. We'll see, talk about what to close. Someone else has questions. So we just interact with each other. Yeah. So that's probably coming up as soon as we can finish all this. I think let me just focus on the homepage. Designs actually take time. It's probably because I'm talking, that's why it's this long. What else can we do? Probably let's just do the ads. Here's the ads section. I'll be off. Okay, let's do it. Let me add something like this. So this could be home, your team, and maybe for you. Well, life score should not be upset with us. So let's put this. Let's call this. I think I have. I doubt. I doubt. Oh, they're not going to. They can have. Oh, shame Let me try shit. Yep, and they have. They have shirts. Favorites. Let's just start. And they should also have trending sports. We might not do a logo for it. So just say um trending sports. You can always adjust the stuff later. Yeah, but the idea is just how to you could just see how easy to lay out to arrange everything easily. This guy too big. What's the size again? 20. Just bring it down to 18. Oh, leave it, leave it, leave it. Alright, so we have this, we have star, and we have what else do we have for you? Let's do something like profile. No, or let's see like list. This guy's small. Let's do something like this. There's no rule in this case. Yeah. So we have our icons we want to use. We want to do something like this. So we could have something, call it home. Yeah. So this could be our home. Let's take it down more. Then push 12. Yeah. So if I do this, so I have to first create the components. Actually, I've done this first. Actually, don't mind me. So I create the components. Spacing is probably 4. Stash is. I just have stuff. So we have home. Spacing is probably 4. Let's put a padding of like 8. All the contents. Let's do this. Yeah. So we could have two states here. So one is the active state when it is selected here, or when it is the page that you're on. Yeah, we have that. So that padding of top bottom. What's the size? Let me make it 20. Yeah. So we could have default. So let's just make it 2. So finally, when it's selected, we want it to be um, yellow is too bright. I think we need one more. We need one more color. Yellow. Okay, we could do some. But this will take space. Okay, let's try. Let's see what yellow look like. If it does not look good, we can always change it. Let's have this. Then this could be when it is unselected, but let's use gray instead. Let's make it very 400. But this could be. Let's make this bold. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. So let's make it into a component set. So if you click on this drop down here, you can create a component set. Yeah, so now we have two. Let me add the corner radius here. Let me to both of them. Although you not see the second one. So if I make this one 8, yeah. So it's did it copy? No, don't copy. Yeah. So I can also make it such way that I can change this icon. So remember what we did in the first or second class. Yeah. So where we can create instance swap. You just come in, just call this icon, and then you create property. Okay, let me do the same for this one. Yeah, but in this case, I'll just select icon. Yeah, so if I copy this out, I can duplicate it 2 times, select 3 of them in auto layout, probably make the background white, add the 16, probably top bottom can be 8. So this could be when it is, okay, let me label it. So this could be our active state. This could be our idle state. So I can call this active. I can make this active. So you can see it's selected. Yeah. So favorites. And this could be for you. Something like that. Thank you. So yeah. So let's bring this back to the original size, which is 926. Although so this one you can do two of them, yeah. So this could be for so that developers can see the list of categories of things you have. You could create another one where it now becomes the height of. So the height I'm typing in there is because we're using iPhone 14 plus. Yeah, so the width is 428, the height is 926. So we could just make this 926. Yeah. Then I could since I could copy this, yeah. Yeah, so since the whole frame is not an auto layout, yeah, it's a frame. So I could just paste it there. You could see that I pasted here. Yeah. So let's make the so instead of it filling up, let's make it let's say 428 minus 16 16 16 times 2 is 32 now. Yeah, so 428 minus 32. I just duplicated the margin on both sides, multiplied by 2, so it could be exactly at you can see exactly at this point um of the cards. Yeah. So I also don't want it to be on the bottom, so I could move it. So it's probably going to be at 16. Or let's put it at 32. I think it's cooler. Let's put it at 24. Yeah, I could. Hmm. I mean, there's no rule. So if I could add glass effect. Let's take out the shadow, add the glass, take out the fill. Uh-huh. They're looking funny, but let's have it. Let's have it. So let's fill it up. Okay. I mean, it's my design. The developers are not developing it, so they can't be angry. Yeah. I can adjust the first, so the background is a little bit. It's more visible. Something like this. Is this cool? I make it totally off, you know. So first could be somewhere here. So you could still see it. Let's adjust the fraction. Maybe a little. Let me see what would depth give me. I could adjust depth a little. Let me dispersion. Dispersion will just let's leave it this way. It's not disturbing anybody. Yeah, so what would that look like? Let's have it, let's have it. Not scrolling. Okay. I'll have to adjust this guide so oh and don't mind something I should have done. I don't want vertical scroll. Mhm. Okay, so if I scroll, how does it go? Looks cool. Does it? Looks cool. Does this? Does this? Does it? Does it? Does it? Let's just take the first up, so it's more visible. Looking like background blur this way. So let's keep it here. Yeah, it's play fun. Let's keep that one. Alright, so let's change the icons. So okay, let's make sorry one more thing. Top is let's make this 8. Probably we should make it. What will happen if I do this funny if if I make this horizontal? How would it look like? Uh, they may like play too much. Hmm. Mm, let's do it. Let's do it. So let's do it this way. Make it 12. Let's make this 8. Let's do the same thing here. 12, 8. What's time? Are you kidding me? 5 minutes to go. No, this is about 5 minutes. Let's just enjoy ourselves with it. So next, but I'll just be. I'll try my best. Whatever we do, I'll just top at the explore the home page. Sorry, the detailed page for HJC. Probably that will just the next class. You think you can finish all this thing in one day until you start? Okay. Let me put them in the center. Let me hub. It's hub now. Why is it? I'll make this hug instead. Let's adjust. Let me adjust this favorites to the shades to star. Yeah, and this to a list. Where was the one I picked? This. Yeah. I think this glass is too playful. No, let's make it 50. Let's make it very. This completely rounds it. Same thing. Yeah. Yep. So we have this. That's how it looks like. Just plain. Could probably not take. Let's not overthink it. Let's just leave it where it is. Probably next class we might think of how to make it better. But for now, I think it's actually better if you just make it white, pure white. Happy? Which is better? Let's make it white. Yeah, with little shadow. Yeah, let's close the glass and just use drop shadow. Make it a little blurry. Bring down the opacity to 12. Yep. This looks cool. Yeah. All right. So let's leave it this. Let's leave it like this today. Probably before when I update, I'll kind of design a ads for this place so that I'll do something. Maybe probably adjust all the logos here, the jerseys here. Yeah, manually. Maybe after the class on my own. But so any questions so far? Anything? What do you guys learn? Did you guys learn anything new? What do you think I should do better? Any question? So I'm taking that as a no. Is that a good thing? Are you telling me I thought well? Okay, just do some few adjustments before I go. Make this 12. Alright, so no question, right? Alright. So thanks everyone for joining this evening. It's always an exciting time to see you all. So I also noticed that it's sticky. Every other guy is scrolling. Yeah. I'll have done the same thing for this top, but probably after I might just adjust it. So just see you all next week. Yeah. So it's nice seeing everyone on the call today. So have fun. Yeah, bye.